In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the microphone not working issue on your Samsung device. Firstly, the easiest thing to try is a simple restart. Press and hold the power button, then tap on Restart. Sometimes, this can resolve minor software glitches that affect the microphone. If restarting didn't work, then let's clear the app data and cache for the app where the microphone isn't working. First open up your mobile settings, then scroll down until you find Apps. Now select the app that is having problem, like phone or WhatsApp app, then tap on Storage, and then tap on Clear Cache and Clear Data. This process can fix issues with app-specific settings. Now check that app permissions. Sometimes apps may not have permission to access your microphone. Go back to Apps. Tap the three dots in the top right corner, then select Permission Manager. Tap on Microphone and ensure that the app you're using has permission to access microphone. If not, simply tap on that app and select Allow only while using the app. Now if you have any Bluetooth devices connected, such as headphones or speakers, disconnect them. Occasionally, the phone may try to use a connected Bluetooth device's microphone instead of its internal microphone. If none of these methods work, then it's possible that the issue is hardware related. In this case, I strongly recommend contacting Samsung support or visiting a reputable technician for further assistance. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials.